Hi guys! Hi everyone! Hi everyone! Thank you so much. I know I changed the time. I got a lot of requests to change the time to 5 p.m. That's why I did it. So sorry about changing the time. But hello. I'm so excited to do this live. It's been so long since we did a live. And finally, I'm here. How is everyone? I'm so excited to talk to all of you. Today is my day off from shoot. From Baghi 3, and I had to do this live with all of you because it's been forever, and I thought that we'll chat, and it's been so long. Hi guys. So I'm off shoot from Baghi today. Tomorrow I resume shoot, and I'm so excited. I want to say thank you guys so much for all the love that you've showered on Saho, on Chichore. It's been a really overwhelming time for me. It's been so amazing, so amazing. So thank you, all of you, to each and every one of you out there who's made this happen. I'm filled with a lot of gratitude and a lot of happiness. I'm on cloud 9. So thank you all so much. So why don't we chat a little? All of you can ask me some questions, and because it's been a long time. So let's do this. I will try to come live more often if it's possible. And Stree 2 कब तक आएगी ये बताना. Stree 2, Stree was such a special film for me, and I really hope they make it very soon as well. So my fingers and toes are crossed that Stree 2 happens very soon. And Hi everyone, hi guys, hello. So you guys can please ask me whatever questions you all have. Hi to all the fan clubs. I want to say a special mention to each fan club out there who has always been so supporting. Lots and lots of love to each and every one of you. Thank you guys for everything. My experience with Prabhas was amazing on Saho. He's one of the most amazing people, one of the most amazing co-actors I've worked with, and he really has a heart of gold, and I hope that I get to work with him again as well. Hi guys, so you can ask me your questions and I will keep answering them. So it was very exciting, Saho being my first pan-Indian multilingual film, and the fact that it was received so well by all of you. Thank you all so much. It was my Telugu debut, dubbed in so many languages, so it's super special that all of you gave it so much love. Thank you so much. And of course, thank you all so much for the overwhelming love for Chichore. It means so much. It's been a really special time for me. 2 of my films getting this kind of love and this kind of appreciation means a lot. Thank you so much, guys. Okay. Hi, Shradhi. Okay. Hi, take my name. Yogesh Solanki, hello. Hello guys, lots of highs coming my way. Much. Hi. Sorry guys, I got a call. Huh? Yeah, I'm trying, someone was trying to call me, that's why it's getting cut. What to do? I'm back on, guys. Sorry, someone is trying to call me and I'm cutting back on. Hi everyone. Will I act in Tamil films? Yes, if someone offers me a really nice film, I would love to do it. Hi everyone, please ask me your questions. Hi. Lots of love to all of you, each and every one of you. Oh, okay. Sorry, I just got some help and I just put my phone on DND so that nobody can call me right now when I'm talking to all of you. Yeah. Who is my best friend? I have a small group of friends from my school who are my very, very close friends, and my mom is also one of my best friends. Lots of love to you guys, and I hope all of you are having a good day. And again, I want to say thank you all for all your love. Can you all ask me more questions, please? Because I would really like to answer them. Lots of love to you guys as well. What's my beauty secret? Thank you. I don't know. I'm happy and I'm very grateful. I think I'm on cloud 9. Sorry, this is pausing. That was my Instagram limit for the day, guys. And yeah, so I think that I'm very grateful. I'm very happy and very happy to be living my dream every single day, getting an opportunity to be a part of such amazing and exciting films. So yeah, thank you. Do film with Prabhas. I just did a film with Prabhas. 1 second. Yes, guys, please ask me your questions. Here I have, do I love Varun Dhawan? Yes, I love Varun. VD is my childhood friend and he is a sweetheart and we're doing Street Dancer together. And I'm very excited to come back onto Street Dancer. How are you and your parents? My parents and me were fine. Thank you so much. Everyone's really happy that both my movies have done really well right now. And I am big fan of you. Send me number. You can message me over here. Can I participate in Green India with you? Do you mean like supporting the whole RA thing? Please do. You must. What is your opinion? Oh, how's shooting? Oh, 1 minute. Hi, Arohi. You wanna? Okay, I'm gonna get some help now. Yeah, please do. So we have someone who's gonna ask me the questions that you guys have asked. And hi guys, hi everyone.
How did you manage playing Maya and Amrita simultaneously?
How did I manage to play Maya and Amrita simultaneously? It was really challenging. I'll be very honest. It was to play two completely different characters in two completely different films was really challenging. But it was so nice because I get to be a part of such different films. And I think as an actor, it's so challenging to play such different parts, to play such different characters. So I was super happy that I got the opportunity to work with Nitesh sir, to be a part of a film which has pan-Indian appeal as well. So I was very, very happy.
We see you portraying two different roles again in SD3 and Bagi 3. How are you prepping up?
So yes, guys, Street Dancer 3D is coming in Jan. I'm very excited about it. It's the sequel to ABCD2 and I'm back with my ABCD2 gang and it's going to be a lot of fun. There's a lot of dancing and yeah, my character is super different this time around. And what was your other question?
Amrita, Sia.
No, you asked me a Bagi 3, no?
Yeah, how are you prepping for both simultaneously?
So Street Dancer shooting is done. And Shakti Kapoor sir, oh wow. Yes, I shall pass on your regards to him. So yeah, I'm getting such interesting comments here. So yes, basically Bagi 3 also I'm super excited. I'm back into the Bagi family and we've started shoot for it. And VD, tanned makeup. Hi VD, where are you? What are you doing? Yes.
How challenging was it doing the hashtag 10-year challenge in real for Chichore?
Oh, it was so exciting to play two different age groups in Chichore, the older part and the younger part. And really hats off to Nitesh sir for being able to deal with the whole film with such sensitivity. And I got to be a part of it. So I'm very happy.
How are you celebrating entering the 500 crore club?
Oh, yes. VD, why am I only reading your comments popping up? It's really overwhelming that Saho's gotten this kind of love and so much love from all you guys. And yeah, this is just making me want to work harder and making me want to entertain all of you. Again, I just want to say a big thank you to everyone over here, and a big hi and a big hug, big tight squishy hug to each and every fan club out there. I do read your messages, I do read your comments, and the kind of love that all of you shower me with is so precious. I really love each and every one of you, all of you out there. Mwah. Lots of kisses to all of you.
Shraddha, hamari aashiki tum hi ho. Can we now call you Chichori Amrita?
Yeah, of course, you can call me whatever you want with love. Why not? Yes. Let me see. Someone has gone Jahil. You have gotten this from OK Janu, as I can see.
How thrilled are you on receiving so much love from South as well with Saho?
I am very thrilled for all the love that I've received. I'm so happy. You guys have showered me with so much love. Thank you so much. I'm going to actually try to scroll and see what is happening. Hi guys. You want to ask me some questions? Why not answering me? Khushi, could you ask your question again? Oi, Shamma. Oi. Hi, guys. Hi, everybody. I have to go soon also. Say a tongue twister. You tell me what to say, I'll say the tongue twister. Oh, what? Hi, everyone. Hi, guys. My name is not a tongue twister, no. Mari Muthu. I am not at home. No, I am not at home. Today is my day off. I'm doing some interviews and I'm doing my live with all of you. Yes, guys. So, hi. Please ask me your questions. Who is my best actor? You know, I cannot choose that at all because I'm so lucky I get to work with such amazing people and get to be a part of such amazing films. How's the boss? मैम आपकी पहली मूवी का नाम? मेरी पहली मूवी का नाम है तीन पत्ती. Saho Chichore. Oh, I made a mistake. See the tongue twist I tried. Okay. मजेत आहात का? क्रॉप बॉय योगेश हो मी खूपच मजेत आहे अँड मस्त वाटतंय आता. What else, guys? Ask me questions because I literally have to go soon. Now I have to go now actually. Hi everyone. My favorite food is home food. Ghar ka khana is my most favorite food ever. And please come to Delhi. Delhi is like my second home. My dad is from Delhi, so it's got a special place in my heart. And what else? खूप छान तुम्ही मराठी पण बोलता. Thank you so much. And okay guys, I think I have to go in 2 minutes. Yeah, 2 minutes? 2 more minutes. I have 2 minutes guys. 2 minutes है मेरे पास. 2. Please ask me your questions. I love Puran Poli. No, I can't speak in Tamil, but hopefully someday I will be able to. And oh, J. Hi, J Magic. Thank you. Yes, this is actually the hair that I have. It's my new hair for Baghi 3. So yes. Yes, I have been to Singapore. I have had gone on holiday there with my family while growing up. And where am I going? I'm going now. I have some work, and tomorrow is my shoot. So I have to go and prepare for that also. And I have a couple of interviews, so I have to go for that. And hi guys. Abhi, okay, I'm getting signaled. I have to go. Guys, thank you all so much. Thank you so much again. This was fun. We should do this again. And lots of love to all of you. Lots of love. Thank you guys. Thank you again for all the love. All the best. Bye.
End and save. Save.
It says end now.
End.